Madam Kasyong, bago po ang hearing na ito, nag-usap na po ba kayo ni Honorable Fernandez? Mula nung hearing na yon, nag-usap na ba kayo ni Honorable Fernandez? Kasi marami siyang alam na hindi ko alam eh. Pagpasok ko dito kanina nung ikaw, ay kung magtingin na kayo ni Honorable Fernandez, eh, may ibig sabihin eh.
Congressman Akop, hindi na nga niya mapigilan ang kanyang sarili at binisto niya na nga itong si Congressman Fernandez at itong si Cassandra Ong kasi nga pagpasok niya lang daw ay makikita mo ang lagkit ng tinginan nila. At ayaw pa nga dito kay Congressman Akop na parang marami daw alam itong si Dan Fernandez kaysa sa kanya. Alam naman natin na binawi nga bigla ni Dan Fernandez itong cited of contempt nitong si Cassandra Ong. At dito ay inamin din ni Cassandra Ong na nagtitext at nagtatawagan sila ni Congressman Dan Fernandez. Kaya narito guys, panoorin natin.
Ang tanong, sino-sino ang mga inisyo mo ng mga checking yon for many years and for many millions that entered that checking account? And remember, you told me through text, ayaw mo maipit doon sa mga nag-uumpugang mga malalaking mga bato. So tell us, sino yung mga taong ito na binigyan mo ng cheque?
Okay, pwede na po magsalita. Regarding naman po sa mga cheque is, I think kung hindi po nagkakamali sa mga rental po siya, ng mga house po or condo. Yeah. Pero
Rentals
if
na?
million, I'm not
Oo.
sure po.
Kasi, Cassandra, no, millions of pesos ang dumaan doon sa checking account. And aside from that, how many bank accounts do you have? Be truthful, Cassie.
We'll double check it po.
10? You have 10 accounts? More than 10?
Parang wala siya sa 10.
Mga
I'm not sure po eh.
8, 7, 6,
I'm really sorry
5,
po.
4.
Hindi ko pa talaga
Okay.
sure.
Wait. Kasi we will be able to find out because the waiver was signed. Ronaldin, were you able to sign the waiver?
Na-sign ko na po.
So, kung na-sign na niya yung waiver, so makikita na natin ang lahat ng laman nun. So, we're giving you a chance to tell us. Sabi mo kasi kanina, meron kang mga iniiwasan. So, we wanted to find out who are these people. Meron bang mga politiko? Meron bang mga drug dealers? Meron bang malalaking mga Chinese personalities? Ha? Sige, ano, okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Boss. Okay, thank you so much. Sige, Cassie, what?
Regarding po sa bank account, wala na po akong bank account pala. Pwede na po siya.
Cassie,
Yes po.
baka mabago yung damdamin ko sa'yo, ah. Ang sinasabi ko, during that time, di ba, kahit sabihin mong wala ka ng bank account ngayon, before that you were a executive assistant of the Lucky South 99 since 2019. And then, now that you are the beneficial owner of the Whirlwind Corporation with 58% ownership, are you going to sign a waiver?
To proof na wala na po akong account.
Na wala ka ng account. No,
Yes.
we're not asking that. What we are asking is that you're going to sign a waiver telling us that we can check yung mga inisyuhan mo mga cheque sa mga personalities that involved in that Porac Pogo. Attorney Tapasio. Are you willing to waive for all your bank accounts para makita natin ang lahat ng inyong transactions? Kasi we are talking about, kasi nagsimula ka na ng being truthful. Kanina, actually, we are all amazed, ha? Dahil you can speak truly, eh. And now, nagkakaroon ka ng apprehension. Don't. Wag. Kasi the trust is with you right now. So, ituloy mo lang, please. Sige, go ahead.
Point of order, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair.
Are we, who's the resource person? Because I'm getting confused.
Okay, the point of order of Congressman Suarez is
Number that was issued by Ronaline Paterna for the AMLAC to see all the bank transactions. So the waiver that you are trying to secure from us is the waiver of that you don't have an account anymore. Yun ang sinasabi ng kanina ni Attorney Topacio. Am I right?
Pwede pa ulit po.
Yes.
Pwede pa kiulit po.
Okay.
Mr. Chair, sorry.
So, kasi ang sinasabi mo kanina kasi parang nagwe-wave ka doon sa right na malaman namin na wala ka ng mga bank accounts.
Yes po.
So, hindi yun ang hinihingi namin kasi. Ang hinihingi namin, waiver mo para makita ng AMLAC kung ano ang lahat ng bank transactions nung mga bangko mo. Yun ang hinihingi namin para malaman namin kung saan pumunta yung mga pera na pumasok sa bangko mo. Naintindihan mo yun, Cassie?
Yes po, Mr.
So,
Chair.
are you willing to sign a waiver for that matter?
Mag-consult muna ako sa lawyer ko, then balikan ko na lang po ang committee if
Kasi
I'm willing
ang
or-
waiver na binigay ni Ronaline Paterna, it's all about the checking account that is under her name. Your waiver is so important to us, to all your bank accounts. So we can see the transaction, where the money goes and where the money comes.
ako first.
I only have two queries, Mr. Chair, kasi chair pa ako ng committee hearing bukas. Madam Casiong, bago po ang hearing na ito, nag-usap na po ba kayo ni Honorable Fernandez?
pwede pa ulit po.
Bago itong hearing na ito, kasi nag-conduct kami ng hearing, ng joint committee hearing ng Games at saka Public Order and Safety. Doon una na ikaw ay na-cite in contempt. That is why you are here today. Magmula nung hearing na yon, nag-usap na ba kayo ni Honorable Fernandez? Kasi marami siyang alam na hindi ko alam eh. Ay, hindi. Investigator ako, Iha. Sana matandaan mo yun. Makuha mo yun. Kasi, pagpasok ko dito kanina nung ikaw, ay kung magtingin na kayo ni Honorable Fernandez, may ibig sabihin eh. Oo, lingon ka ng lingon sa kanya. Akala ko nga siyang abogado mo kanina, Iha, hindi si Atty. Topacio eh. Nag-textan kayo o nag-usap kayo sa cellphone? Yes or no? O bakit ka nakatingin kay Honorable Fernandez? O nangungumpisal na siya?
Once lang po.
Ang text o pag-uusap?
Text and usap po, once lang po.
So, once na text, once na usap.
Opo.
Now, Madam Casiong, kanina nung si Honorable Luistro ang nagtatanong po sa inyo, para bang ayaw niyong sumagot. Tinanong pa kita, what was your answer? Ang sagot mo sa akin, I refuse to testify. Bakit noong si Honorable Gutierrez at saka si Honorable Fernandez ang nagtanong, relax kang sumagot. Kaya tuloy ako, hindi nagtanong kanina. Oo, dahil kanina refuse to testify ang kwan mo, sagot mo iha eh. Oo. Kaya tuloy, hindi na ako nagtanong. Pero napansin ko, nung yung mga gwapong lalaki ang nagtatanong, sumagot po kayo. At relax na. May I know the reason why?
Okay, can I explain po, di ba? Nung una, I really want to refuse to answer po. And then, kinausap po ako ng abogado ko na magsalita ng committee na to. That's why nagsalita po ako. Tumiming lang po talaga kay Madam Chair.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Yun lang po ang naobserbahan ko kasi marami pong salamat.
Mr. Chair, if I may.
Mr. Chair,
Because we
ako na.
have a pending, no, it's not a pending motion, but we have a already approved that Ms. Cassandra Leong will be were cited in contempt
Si Chairman Paduano na yon.
twice. So, I don't know with the decision of the body because after this, of course, the Sergeant at Arms will bring her to Mandaluyong.
Mr.
If
Chairman.
our motion or our approval of that motion stays. But since he cooperated, no, rightly with all of us, I think we have to. I think it is incumbent upon us to withdraw that
You're not the
motion.
movant, co-chair, Dan? Mr. Chairman?
And what is the
Ma'am,
pleasure of the
Mr.
body?
Chair, the motion to cite her for contempt stays, but the motion to bring her to Mandaluyong, I don't think it has been actually ruled by the chair. So therefore, it is not binding, Mr. Chair.
There was a ruling earlier. That,
Was a ruling?
Yes,
So-
Your Honor. There was a ruling earlier that we cited her for contempt and she will be detained for as long as the committee hearing is terminated, and she will be detained at Bikutan City Jail. Bikutan
Yeah.
Women's Correctional.
Women's Correctional, Mandaluyong.
Sorry, it's not Bikutan City Jail. But there was already a ruling, and now I believe that there is now a motion by Congressman Dan Fernandez to withdraw this contempt
And
order by this committee in consideration of the cooperation made by Ms. Cassandra Ong in this committee hearing of the Quadcom. So I'd like to ask the movant to formally make this motion so that the committee will decide on the fate of Cassandra Ong.
But before
Congressman,
we acknowledge the movant, Congressman Caraps, can we also include Ms. Ronaline Baterna, considering that she's been cooperative to this Quadcom, and she's been there for almost 3 weeks already, and I think letting her go will not jeopardize this investigation anymore. So I think, Mr. Chairman, let's include the Sir Speaker that the contempt that we cited be lifted.
We first rule on the first motion.
Mr. Chair.
And then later, we will ask another member to make the same motion for Ronaldin Baterna. And if there is no objection, then we can let her go.
Mr.
So,
Chair.
yes, Congressman
Well,
Adjong.
Mr. Chair, well, I do want to agree with Chairman Dan Fernandez dahil gusto ho natin sila umuwi sa kanilang mga pamilya. But the concern really, Mr. Chair, is how sure are we that in the next committee hearing, like for example, Ms. Baterna, she would make herself available. Number two, after everything that has been said here, I know I'm just trying to share to you my personal take on this. They will be more, they're safer within the confines of the House of Representatives. I mean, I'm just sharing to you, Mr. Chair, what is probably what's in everyone's mind right now. So on the issue of the motion to withdraw the second contempt order against Ms. Ong, by virtue of now her being cooperative and responsive to the questions, I would definitely move for the withdrawal of the second contempt order. That she may no longer stay here within indefinitely until the end of the this committee hearing. But we could at least specify a certain days. That way, Mr. Chair, the original contempt order stays, Mr. Chair.